Hey everyone, welcome back to Fintech Innovate AI, the ultimate channel where we teach you how to grow your money, build wealth, and make your money work for you smarter, faster, and easier. If you've ever felt stuck wondering how to start building your financial future, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm revealing 4 simple but powerful strategies that anyone can use to grow money and finally make your money work for you instead of the other way around. These aren't complicated hacks or get-rich-quick schemes, they are proven, beginner-friendly methods that actually work. Stick with me to the end because the last method might surprise you and could be a game changer for your financial future. Tip 1. High-interest savings accounts. Traditional savings accounts from big banks often offer interest rates so tiny, they barely help your money grow at all. But high-yield savings accounts, especially from online banks, offer much higher returns, sometimes 10x what regular banks pay. When you park your money in a high-interest savings account, you're letting your money quietly grow day after day, 24/7, without lifting a finger. Your principal is safe and insured, usually by the FDIC up to $250,000. Here's a quick pro tip: automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers every payday to your high-yield savings account, and watch how easy it becomes to grow your money consistently over time. Over months and years, that invisible saving turns into a powerful foundation to build wealth and make your money work for you effortlessly. Always shop around for the best rates. A small difference of even 0.5% can mean hundreds or thousands of dollars more in your pocket over time. Tip 2. Invest in the stock market. Now, let's move into one of the most proven methods to grow your money exponentially over time: investing in the stock market. The stock market has historically delivered average annual returns of 7 to 10% after inflation, far better than any savings account. But here's the key: consistency and patience. You don't need to be a stock picking expert. You can start by investing in index funds or ETFs, which automatically give you a slice of hundreds of top performing companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google. When you invest consistently, even small amounts like $50, $100 per month, you tap into the power of compound growth, where your earnings start earning even more money over time. This is one of the smartest ways to build wealth steadily and make your money work for you while you live your life. Think of investing not as gambling but as planting seeds for a massive forest of financial freedom later. The earlier you start, the longer your investments have to grow your money and multiply. Tip 3. Real estate. Another powerful wealth building tool that stood the test of time? Investing in real estate allows you to earn passive income through rental payments while your property value increases year after year. Owning even one rental property can create a stable second income stream, helping you grow your money faster while someone else, your tenants, essentially pays off your mortgage. Plus, real estate gives you powerful tax advantages like depreciation and deductions that can seriously boost your cash flow. If owning property feels out of reach, no worries, you can still tap into real estate growth through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are like stocks but focused on real estate, letting you invest in real estate without needing huge down payments, loans, or property management headaches. Real estate, whether direct ownership or through REITs, helps you build wealth steadily and make your money work for you 24/7 through both capital appreciation and passive income streams. Diversifying with real estate also protects your wealth from the ups and downs of the stock market, making it a smart addition to your financial game plan. Tip 4. Peer-to-peer lending. And finally, let's talk about an exciting modern way to grow your money: peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend small amounts of money to individuals or businesses and earn back attractive interest rates, often much higher than savings accounts or CDs. By carefully choosing who you lend to, based on their credit rating and history, you can make your money work for you with great returns while helping others achieve their goals. Of course, peer-to-peer lending comes with risks. Some borrowers may default, but you can minimize those risks by spreading small loans across many borrowers, a process called diversification. If done wisely, peer-to-peer lending can add an exciting, profitable layer to your portfolio, helping you build wealth faster. It's another example of letting your money grow independently, creating multiple streams of income, and expanding your financial freedom. Whether you start with a simple high-yield savings account, dip your toes into the stock market, explore real estate investing, or try peer-to-peer lending, the most important thing is to start today. Small consistent steps now can turn into massive results later. By taking these steps, you can make your cash grow. If you found value today, smash that like button, subscribe to Fintech Innovate AI, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip on how to grow your money and build lasting wealth. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start making your money work for you is now.